Hello, hello, hello. We are together with one perfect Olympic question. Great. Perfect one-number question. Welcome, my friend. It is impossible to solve if you do not know some things in this question. What did he tell us in the question?
y over x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 to 5.
X and y are positive integers. And what of x plus y from us? Asked if it could. Let's start. Now I am the first. I think, what can I do? I extend this friend with y and this friend with x. What will be our question in this case?
Y over x times y plus x over x times y
is equal to 1, 5. Now that the denominators of these statements are common, I am the same. I can also write denominator. So y plus x divided by x times I is equal to, I wrote it as 1, 5. If I'm going to send that friend that way right away, what does our expression turn into? E plus x is equal to x times e. Times 1, 5 if we send these 5 this way. Let's try this right away. What happened? Psi times y plus x. We get x times y is equal to. Now, distribute these 5 into the brackets. See what will come when we distribute. 5 times e plus 5 times x. We have reached the result equal to xy. If we send those friends next to xy, x times y minus 5 y minus 5x equals 0. We got it. Now we have come to the main important part, friend. If you don't do this here, you solve this question. Takes a lot of time, so 1 day, 2 days. Now you see the 5 over there, right? I use this equation. I want to do this. 25 plus 25 is the sum of these two. He will give 0, he will not change anything. Let's apply it right away. What happened? Our expression xy 5 way. Vx 25 plus 25 equals 0. Now if you pay attention, I think, what else can I do? Let's group these a little. So x, you see in the bracket. 5x in minus bracket. I'm taking that friend, 25. I just add this to this side. 25 is equal to 0. So what did I do? Look here with the minus. What will it turn into when we multiply this shortcoming? It will turn into plus. Nothing will change. If I continue, be careful in this part. 3's are common, 5 are common in this part. Then let's try to write the expression like that. Y paréntesis x minus 5 minus 5. Paréntesis x minus 5. 25 is equal to 0. If you pay attention, there is the same expression here. There is the same expression here. Then what can I do? X minus 5 bracket. I can get this expression. In x5 bracket, what will come? 5. Let's throw this 25 friend across. Yes, we got this result. Look what our question has turned into. Actually, the multiples here. What will happen to 25 guys? Will be divisors. So what are the divisors of 25? 1x 25. 25 times c. So this is, we will try to solve this question by using duos. So these right now. If I say to this friend, for example, the first situation, well, if I call this the second situation and this the third situation, let's write the first situation first. What does he want us to do in case 1? X minus 5 times y minus 5. I said equal. 1x 25, what should this statement be in this case? This statement should be equal to this. Then the expression I say x minus 5 will be 1. The expression I say y, 5, will also be 25. X comes from here, 6. 30 comes from here. In this case, x plus y is my expression. I got 36 from 6 plus 30. Now one other. Let's go to the situation. That is, the second situation. Again, x minus 5 times. E minus 5, 25 times 1. Look at it with the same logic again. This friend will be equal. This friend will be equal. I apply them immediately. X minus 5 is 25. And E minus 5 is equal to 1. 30 comes from here, what we call x. The value we call y from here comes to 6, again because he wants x plus y sum from us. What will come from 30 plus 6? 36, and finally our third situation remained. Third case from us. Case minus 5 times E minus 5. I say equal. 5 times 5. What can I say? This is equal to, I can say that this is equal to this again. X minus 5 equals 5. E minus E now equals 5. X, how much will come from here? 10. I, how many will come from here? 10. In this case, we call x plus y total 10 plus that. What happened 20? If you pay attention now. Look, we found a value of 20. We found a 36 value. We found another 36 value. So ask us the question, how would it be if he had given it differently? So what do I mean? If he hadn't given me the question like this in the beginning, if he gave 1 divided x plus 1 divided y, if I said equal to 8, if you pay attention to the results, the divisors of 25 are out, friends. Where did this number 25 come from? Originally given to us, this squared came from the expression here. Of course here, let's correct the expression here immediately. I spelled this wrong. What will happen here? We got it as 108. These parts of the same problem? Then what am I doing? I'm going to square 8, so how much will this be? 64. So what will be the positive divisors of 64? When I think, let's see if it's 1x 64. 64 on. Here's 2x 32. 30 days do? Then 4x 16. 16x 4, and finally 8x 8. How many came in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 arrived. How can I find this in a short way? Look, I took the square of 8, right? I'm trying to find the positive parts of this. What will this do? 6th force of 2. What were we doing while finding the positive divisors? Any number that gives us 2 to the x times. X over 3 times 5 over. What can we say? That's not x, that's y, this is z. We would increase and multiply them one by one, so x plus 1 times, plus 1 times. We could find the positive divisors with z plus 1. Then if I apply the same logic to this question, he gave me 2 to the 6. I added 6 to 1, what was my answer? 7. What if our question was like this? If our question was like this. If 1x plus 1 dy is equal to 1, 48. Please see what is the answer to the comments. Waiting for you to write. Don't forget to like and follow. See you, bye-bye.